Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here is a new remote job opportunity for the role of data analyst at Hypersonics. The expected salary is between 8 to 12 LPA. This opportunity is ideal for candidates with skill in SQL, Python, Power BI, analytics and dashboard development. In this role, selected candidates will work with implementation teams, customers, data engineers, and data scientists to build data warehouses, analytical dashboards, and AI/ML driven insights based on customer requirements. Now, let's look at the key responsibilities. Candidates will translate business requirements into dashboards and actionable insights. They will support data exploration and profiling and collaborate closely with data engineering teams to build data models. The role also includes validating analytical outputs, reviewing reports, and presenting insights to customers and stakeholders. Candidates will work with cross functional teams and coordinate with data science teams to understand and review machine learning outputs. Now, coming to the required skills, applicants should have strong SQL knowledge and experience using Python, R, or similar tools for data analysis. Candidates should also understand AI and machine learning concepts and be able to interpret statistical model outputs to generate business insights. Experience with BI tools such as Power BI or Tableau is highly preferred. The company is looking for self driven candidates with strong communication and presentation skills. Candidates with e commerce or retail domain experience will have an added advantage. Interested candidates can check the application details in the description below. If you found this job update useful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more daily job updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.